the girl doesn't want to have sex with me right now, I don't view it like, ah, fuck, another rejection. I view it as, okay, she's not the one for me. It's like if I was having auditions for a certain type of role. The role I want is a girl that I could have sex with right now. A girl who's adventurous, who's spontaneous. So I'm having auditions and she's auditioning for the role. That's the mental frame that I'm coming from. So I'm like a casting director and she's auditioning for a part. If she doesn't make the cut, I move on to the next actor or the next person who wants to audition for the role. And if that girl doesn't make the cut, I move on to the next girl until I meet a girl who makes the cut, and then I go fuck her. So I don't view it as, oh fuck, this girl rejected me. Now I'm gonna go just sulk in the corner. No, bro. Change your mental frame, change your perspective on rejection. That's how you get laid.